come here, okay? You know what this is right here? This is my social media and my online business, Williams Wealth Creation. Now, I know the first thing you're gonna say is, if social media ads are so good, why are you telling us and giving away these secrets? Don't you want us buying stocks and real estate and crypto while you get rich with social media and e-commerce? So here's the thing, guys. I already addressed it in my copy. I'm building scalable companies using the internet that's going to have 500 plus employees. I have multiple online businesses making me an income every single month. So I'm trying to grow these businesses as big as humanly possible, but I'd be lying to you if I didn't tell you that I get a higher ROI on my social media advertisements than I do on my real estate, on my stocks, on my cryptocurrencies. And there's one main reason for this, and that is that starting an online business is all yours. And it's scalable globally, right? I put $1,000 into ads, generate 100 leads. If only one of those leads buy, and much more than one buys per month, but let's say only one buys a $10,000 to $75,000 program, that's a 10x to 75x ROI per month on my ad spend because I have scalable systems, a scalable business, and a team, all things that we teach you how to do when you start with us. And this math can be done in a number of ways. You don't need a 10K offer, but that's just the caliber of some of the people we help. Well, real estate, crypto, and stocks, guys, you put that same $1,000 in, and you'd be lucky to turn it into 10K to 75K over a couple of years. The internet and a good scalable online business gets you that ROI per month. And what that basically means is that if people are looking for new investments to make to multiply your income into more, or leave their job or have side income to help with expenses, the best and the fastest way to grow your side income or multiply your investment cash is by investing it in learning how to grow scalable online businesses using social media. And by the way, when you learn how to set up these things properly, they become completely passive as well, just like your stocks, just like your crypto, and just like real estate. They just bring more opportunities and more income. And social media ads and online business have an incredible opportunity to target your specific audience perfectly. So let's say I do help or business help, whatever it is, your ad and business can pop up based on that specific keyword in front of the right people at the right time who already want what you have, which is why it's lowered lead cost, higher quality, which increases your sales. So if you want to go ahead and put your business online or start a business online before it's too late, go ahead and click the link down below. You will end up on a page that gives you more information, and I'll see you on the other side.